Sometimes all you need is a perfectly cooked, delicious breakfast which is loaded with lots of protein. It's filling and it's super delicious. So in this recipe, it's all about omelette, and as you can see, it's looking absolutely amazing and delicious. The recipe is so easy to whip up. All you have to do is prep up ahead your fresh ingredients. And for the recipe, I have some green onions. This is the white and green onions. I have zucchini, tomatoes, eggs, cooking oil, black pepper, and salt. So we are going to start off by sauteing our onions over medium flame. And I've already placed a pan. Then I'm going to add in a tablespoon of cooking oil, which is quite enough. If you're going to be using a non-stick pan, you're going to need less oil. So I'm going to add in the white part of my green onions, which are very flavorful onions. Saute for around a minute until soft. And as the onions are cooking, I'm going to crack in 3 eggs into a bowl. And once done, I'm going to quickly check on my green onions because I don't want the onions to burn. And it's been less than a minute and the onions are starting to brown. So very quickly, I'm going to add in some salt into my eggs. Add in some black pepper. Whisk up my eggs and place aside. Back to my pan, I'm going to add in my tomatoes at this point. Add in my zucchini. Season with salt and some more black pepper. Stir in the tomatoes and zucchini and cook for around 2 minutes until the tomatoes cook down. You can throw in any veggie of choice that you enjoy in the morning. So I'm going to check the seasoning. You need to make sure that everything is perfectly seasoned so that the omelette can turn out delicious. Leave this out to cook for a further 1 minute. It's nice to include vegetables in your breakfast recipes because you need those vitamins, minerals, and nutrients in the veggies. Make sure to scrape my pan using my spatula to get all the tomatoes out. Then I'm going to place back my pan onto the flames, add in a tablespoon of more cooking oil. And remember, the flames are at medium. Spread the oil. Wait for the pan to heat for around 10 seconds. Once the pan is hot, you're going to transfer your eggs in. And while the egg is cooking, you're going to use a spatula and bring in the sides of the egg so that you can evenly distribute the excess egg in the pan. So you're going to create ripples on your egg, which are going to be looking so good. Shake a little bit to make sure the eggs are not stuck on the pan. Then I'm going to fry for around 30 seconds to a minute on one side, or until I get a perfect golden brown color. You're going to have bits of tomatoes on the side that is cooking on the pan, so it's quite okay. And after around a minute, you'll notice that the top also is cooking. Make sure the flames are moderate so that your eggs don't burn. I'm going to check the bottom of my egg and just look at that. So now I'm going to transfer in my cooked veggies on one side of my omelets. Make sure they are evenly distributed, and just look how gorgeous everything is looking. Then I'm going to garnish with some green onions. Fold the egg in half. Wow, just look at that. Then I'm going to toss a little bit to make sure everything is perfect. And after adding in your veggies, you're going to cook for 1 more minute. And once ready, you're going to transfer to a platter. No hassle, only delicious food. So this is how my omelette has turned out. And as you can see, the tomatoes and zucchini are looking perfect for every bite. It's saucy. Just look at that. This is one bite that is going to be so delicious. Oh wow, perfectly seasoned. The egg is so yum, and also the eggs are perfectly cooked on the inside. You can pair the omelette with some toasted bread, or you can enjoy the omelette as is. If you're looking forward to eat some keto-friendly diet,